How to make a serving tray for breakfast in bed. Take a trip to your local Mitre 10 to choose the timber for your board. Get your timber base and ends cut to size in store. You're going to want an easy way to carry your platter, so head to the handles aisle and choose some for each end. Glue your end panels either side of the base using a PVA wood glue. Apply clamps and wait for at least 30 minutes to allow time for the glue to take hold. Apply a stain of choice. We've gone with a walnut interior stain. Screw your handles and you're done.